My name is Eugene Cho. I'm the CEO founder of Discover Echo. We started this company to rethink traditional microscope design. The pandemic shut us down, and this forced us to rethink how we were going to come back to work safely.
They needed a solution to get their employees back to work and collaborating and doing all the amazing things that they do. My name is Scott Gant. I'm President and Co-Founder at Lumenlabs, and we are leading the way in a revolutionary new technology with far-UVC germicidal lighting. Echo's a dynamic place to work. It has a lot of different spaces, including labs where they assemble microscopes. They have shared office spaces. They have meeting rooms where they do a lot of collaboration. And they have break rooms when they're not working. They were looking for a solution that would improve the air quality and safety for the employees.
We were concerned that not all far-UVC light was safe, but one of the key differentiators about the Lumenizer was the filter made it safe for your skin and eyes. Installation was super easy. We put these things on motion sensors in all of our gathering areas, so we were able to turn them automatically on, and they turn off by themselves. And the thing looks really cool. You put it up and you don't really have to think about it. It provides something that's very versatile, cost-effective, and safe. It's the best option out on the market.
In the future, it'll be critical to continue to keep our indoor spaces safe. So all the tools out there available for us to use, from air filtration to chemical disinfection to vaccines, those will all play a critical role. But the most impactful technology that's available today is far-UVC.
This past year has been really challenging, and Lumenizer has given me the peace of mind and also our employees the confidence to come back to a safe workplace.
COVID has had a huge impact on all of us, the way we live, work, and play. At Lumenlabs, we're extremely excited to be playing a role in creating safer environments for us all and getting us back to the one-on-one engagements that we all so desperately want to get back to.